Simple which is unsorted particles of till deposits of particles deposited by glacier is known as till. मतलब कोई इतना बड़ा कोई छोटा ऐसा unsorted different texture unsorted particles deposited by that is known as till. If it has a landform structure, landform का मतलब ही होता है structure, but I said that landform structure, then it is known as moraine. So there is no difference between as far as the particles are considered. Moraine क्या है? Is a kind of what? Structure given by tills, and that is known as what? Moraine. And moraine is a soil. River makes which kind of soil? Alluvial soil. Glacier makes which kind of soil? Moraine soil. आपको biogeography में that we have to study. Yes, a zonal soil. A zonal soils are alluvial soil. I said that moraine soil, loess soil. Loess मतलब it is made by the wind. Northern part of China has loess plateau, and it has been formed by the Taklamakan desert. Has been the particles has been drawn and then deflated and deposited in the northern part of China. That become loess soil. So which are the soil I said? River erosion के द्वारा कौन बनता है? Yes, tell me. By the erosion of which soil? River makes erosion किया mountain में, deposit किया alluvial soil. Glacier made soil and the wind made soil loess. अच्छा ये मुझे बताओ 30 डिग्री पे we'll be able to get alluvial soil. 30 degree latitude पे we can get 40 degree latitude, 50 degree latitude, 60 degree latitude, 70 degree latitude. बोलोगे सर जहाँ रिवर होगा वहाँ alluvial soil लगा. There is no fixed zone. Is there any fixed zone? 30 degree latitude in Himalaya we have moraine soil. 30 degree latitude in Africa we have moraine soil. No. अफ्रीका में कहाँ से मोराइन soil बना रहे हो? So I said that moraine soil is also do not depends upon the latitude, fixed latitude. Same way loess soil. So it has a fixed zone? No. Therefore this is an azonal soil. It's a soil having no fixed zone. That is known as. So ये सब ऐसा ही the alluvial soil, moraine soil, and loess soil. These are what? Azonal soils. That we'll see in the what biogeography and all. Understood it? Clear? So and then loess soil कैसे बना? Erosion से. And these are known as erosional based soil. And some soil will be weathering. Red soil कैसे बना था? Oxidation. So that is made by weathering. And they have been made in the same place in C2. वहीं पे बनाते हैं. लेकिन इरोजन कहाँ बना रहा है? Somewhere else. पापा कहाँ पे हैं? माउंटेन पे हैं. और बेटा alluvial soil किधर है? Where is the sun? In the plain area. Understood? It is made by the erosion. Parent is somewhere, sun is somewhere. So that is we'll see in the soil. So we have been able to see what is the meaning of moraine. First moraine we have seen lateral. Then I said that medial moraine, and then I said that recessional moraine, then I said terminal moraine. कहाँ पे terminal moraine होगा? अब from where the glacier is going on, but after that it's what? Melting. और मेल्ट हुआ, ये ग्लेशियर है, यहाँ मेल्ट हो गया, तो अभी ग्लेशियर यहाँ तक है. मेल्टिंग ग्लेशियर इज व्हाट? receding back. The last moraine, last till deposits are known as terminal moraine. And after the terminal moraine, यहां से ग्लेशियर क्या होने लगा, मेल्टिंग। मेल्ट के बाद क्या होगा, चैनल ऑफ वाटर्स, ये वाटर प्रोड्यूस करेगा चैनल ऑफ वाटर, एंड दिस इज नोन एज outwash plain, जहां पे सेवरल चैनल डेवलप्स, और ये चैनल बाद में मिल मिलकर रिवर बन जाते हैं। outwash plain is existing after terminal moraine, and within the recessional moraine we'll see some topography in between terminal moraine. We'll see drumlins, or we can say basket of egg topography, and we see Kemcho, we see esker, we see Kettle Lake, and we see moraine dammed lake. So between recessional moraine and terminal moraine we have this kind of landforms, depositional landforms. Which I said that, याद रख लेंगे, yes, which I said that, drumlins, केमचो, मतलब केम, मतलब मेरी आदत है हमेशा ही मैं केम को केमचो बोलता हूँ, and you said that one song is there. So drumlins, केम, esker, Kettle Lake. Earlier, which are the two lakes we have seen? Tarn Lake, Rebel Lake. So it forms within the depositional features. Understood? Kettle Lake and Moraine Dam Lake. Is it okay? ये दिख रहा है, ये क्या है? This is what? Lateral moraine. Or now you can easily understand these features and all. I said that when a glacier moves, they used to erode the sidewise, and the deposited tilts on the side. Side means lateral. Is known as lateral moraine. Simple. On the either side of the glacier, till deposits form moraine known as lateral moraine. Thereafter, I said that. So there is one glacier is coming from this side, and one glacier is coming from this side. Understood? And the two glaciers confluence. Two glaciers, और ये दिख रहा है मोराइन, लैटरल मोराइन है. इसकी हाइट दिखाई थी मैंने आपको. ये. I said that when the two glacier comes, then they confluence. The lateral moraine, this glacier will have lateral moraine, then both the lateral moraine get together, become medial moraine. Simple. When the two glacier confluence, then their lateral moraine, internal lateral moraine become medial moraine. Simple. Which are the moraine we have seen? Whatever you like, we can write. वैसे आपके notes में होगा. I said that lateral moraine, I said that medial moraine. Lateral moraine means when the glacier moves, the till deposits on the either side of the glacier. When the glacier moves, the till deposits on the either side of the glacier is known as lateral moraine. And I said that when the two glacier confluence, then their internal lateral moraine get confluenced also and creates a medial moraine. Understood it? This is which moraine? Medial moraine. Which moraine? Medial moraine. When the two glaciers meet. And this is, I said that this is terminal moraine. And after that glacier started And when the glacier started receding back, this is the terminal moraine. After that there will be recessional moraine. When it is receding back, and where it is receding and thoda sa stop hua, then there is the deposition of sediments, it is a recessional moraine and leaving the sand. Understood? Understood? Terminal moraine, जैसे आपको दिखाया था, when the glacier is moving, तो अपने साथ बहुत सारा लेके मटेरियल जाता है. So what is this? Terminal, और यहाँ पे क्या बनेगा? Recessional. And between the recessional moraine, this is a drumlin, this is came cho, this is drumlin, this is came, this is esker, these are Kettle Lake. Again I said, this is what? Drumlin, came, esker, Kettle Lake, and this is, I said that, Moraine Dam Lake. So which are the features I said that? Drumlins, came, esker, Kettle Lake, Moraine Dam. And after that several channels are developing. It is outwash plain. और ये क्या है? Till deposits. It is what? Terminal moraine. This is Drumlin. This is, I said that, Kettle Lake. These are the tills. This is the glacier streams. This is Moraine Dam Lake. This is outwash plain. This is esker. This is what? Understood? Clear? And all these are depositional landforms. All these are. Understood it? This is Drumlin. What is the length of Drumlin? आप वहां बहुत छोटा देख रहा था. 800 meter means around 1 kilometer length. And what is the height? 50 meter, 60 meter. Understood it? What is the height? अच्छा, अब just imagine करेंगे. Just imagine and then listen here carefully. यहाँ within the glacier initial position पे मैंने दिखाया था large amount of particles. और वही particles क्या करते हैं? Depositional landform. Listen carefully. When there is a glacier, तो जब ये why it started receding back? क्योंकि ये portion melt होने लग जाता है. When this portion will start melting, इसके अंदर का particles started falling down. Yes or not? And it started falling down. So first ये यहाँ से temperature increase कर रहा है, लेकिन जैसे जैसे पीछे जाऊंगा तो temperature थोड़ा सा ठंडा होगा. So initial stage पे there will be what? Fast melting. And slowly and slowly backward पे क्या होगा? Slow melting. Understood it? Clear? Yes or no? Now listen here. I said that when it started receding back, so what happened? ध्यान से, what happened? The one process I said that how do the drumlins are forming? When suppose मेरे हाथ में क्या है? It's in a full of rice, and I'm dropping down equal amount of rice. I have a full of rice, endless rice, and dropping equal amount of rice. देखना, ज़्यादा कहाँ डिपॉजिट होगा? Less height किधर होगा? So when the glacier started melting, then the tills within the glacier started depositing. And when it started receding back, its speed reduced. Yes or not? And then higher height. So इसका मतलब क्या है? What is the direction of this? What is this? From here the glacier started melting, receding back, slow, large deposits. So the Drumlin whose steeper side represents, क्या represents कर रहा है? The direction where glacier is receding. Yes or not? बोलो तो सही. You can't see this kind of explanation. I said that, listen me. It started receding back faster, some more. And जहाँ more हुआ, there will be steeper slope. Understood? तो ड्रमलिन का स्ट्रक्चर कैसा होता है? यस टेल मी. वन साइड इज व्हाट? Understood it? Yes or not? This is in a gentle slope. And this is what? और यहां पर क्या हुआ? Fast melting and receding. Yes or no? And in this section, slow, yes? Understood? So इसका मतलब क्या हो गया? This side represents, पहले इस साइड में क्या होता है? ग्लेशियर वाज और ये दिखा रहा है क्या है? ग्लेशियर इज यदि मैं हिमालयस में जाऊंगा और आज के डेट में यू नो दैट द गंगोत्री ग्लेशियर, यमुनोत्री ग्लेशियर, सेवरल ग्लेशियर्स आर रिसीडिंग बैक और बहुत पीछे जा रहे हैं. तो बाई सीइंग सच सेवरल टोपोग्राफी, यहां देखा वहां देखा, तो मुझे एक पता चल जाएगा ये ग्लेशियर किधर किधर से मेल्टिंग होते जा रहा है. So this drumlins can give us idea. तो जियोलॉजिस्ट कैसे आइडिया निकालते हैं? इस साल देखा, अगले साल देखा और उससे पता लगाने लगते हैं कि what is the rate of what? Melting and then how it is receding back. So the drumlin gives us idea the direction where the glacier was moving and the direction where the glacier is receding. So लिख सकते हैं इसमें आप लोग. Understood it? The direction where the glacier was moving and the direction where the glacier is receding.